Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Also, not everyone would each make 1,000 cranes. Your hours would be allocated based on the number of cranes you have made and the time you have spent. Generally, we assume that it took 3.5 minutes to complete an origami crane. This means for 1,000 cranes, the participant would receive about 58 volunteer hours.
Make your mark, take our lead.
An ancient Japanese legend promises that anyone who folds 1,000 origami cranes will be granted a wish by the gods. Some stories believe you are granted happiness and eternal good luck, instead of just one wish, such as long life or recovery from illness or injury.
Take our lead.
1,000 paper cranes are often given to a person who is seriously ill, to wish for their recovery. They are usually created by friends, classmates, or colleagues as a collective effort. Another common use is for sport teams or athletes, wishing them victories.
Let's help you make your mark.
Overall, they are snow white in color with black on the wing secondaries, which can appear almost like a black tail when the birds are standing, but the real tail feathers are actually white. Males are black on the cheeks, throat, and neck, while females are pearly gray in these spots.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.